as a mulatto, being mixed, being light-skinned. I am not a nigga. I am an Israelite. Black man, black woman, black child. You are not a nigga. You are an Israelite. That's right. Facts. That word has an ugly history. That word has a low frequency. That word has a low vibration. The term nigga does not define who you are. You are not a nigga. You are royalty. You are the firstborn of mankind. That's right. You are created in the image and likeness of Elohim. Talk to me. You are not a nigga. Now, I understand. In our community, we use that word as a term of endearment. Sometimes. We know how to flip that word. We use it as an adjective, a noun, a pronoun, preposition, suffix, prefix. We are creative with that word. And many of us do not say it with the ER. We say it with the A. We flipped the word. We turned an insult into a compliment, to the point that those who are not black, they want to say it. And they do say it. Check it. Even with that said, you are not a nigga. Black man, you are a king. Believe that. Black woman, you are a queen. Believe that. It's a new day. It's a new time. Let's elevate. Let's elevate in the way we describe ourselves. Let's elevate in the way we speak to one another. Let's elevate in the way we treat one another. If you want to go ahead and try to use that term, you might as well refer to yourself not as a nigga, but as a negus. Negus, which is an Ethiopian term, which means ruler, emperor. If you're going to be a nigga, be a negus. For example, Haile Selassie was a negus. Names carry importance. When we call ourselves by that name, a nigga, we take on the characteristics of that name. In Hebrew thought, a name means authority, character, and reputation. You do not have to embrace the name, the insult, the byword of a nigga. For that term, nigga, was placed on us as a result of our disobedience towards Yah. Yah is the name of our Creator in Hebrew. Because of our disobedience, we were hit with the curse that we would be called that byword. As a result of our disobedience, we are called niggas. You are not a nigga. You are a child of Yah. You are created in the image and likeness of Yah. You are an Israelite. And if you don't believe me, check out my channel. I have a plethora of videos proving that we are Israelites. You're not a nigga. I'm not a nigga. We are Israelites.